All right, we're going to go over simplifying radicals, and we're just doing square roots. So when we're simplifying radicals, it means we are breaking down the number inside of the square root or the cubed root or whatever it is. So in this case, we're going to break down 98. And we start that by using a chart. We always start with the number 2 and see if our number is divisible by 2. So I would type in my calculator 98 divided by 2, and I get 49. So I would put a 2 here and a 49 here. Now I'm going to be breaking down 49. And again, I start with 2. 49 divided by 2 is not a whole number. It's 24.5. So if it's not divisible by 2, we have to divide it by 3. So 49 divided by 3, I don't get a good answer for that. So 49 divided by 4, nope. 49 divided by 5, nope. 49 divided by 6, nope. 49 divided by 7, yes. 49 divided by 7 is 7. Now the only thing that goes into 7 is 7 and 1. So it'd be 7 and 1. When you get to 1, you're done. Then I take these numbers and I put them inside my radical. So I have a 2, a 7, and a 7. And I also have to bring down this 3. Then you circle your pairs. I have a pair of 7s. So cross one out, throw one out. Okay? 7 times 3 is 21. And then I'm left with only the 2 inside of the radical. All right, let's look at the next problem. I have 2 square root of 112. So I'm simplifying this number. Come over here, I have to make my chart. I always start with the number 2 and see if my number can be divided by 2. 112 divided by 2 is 56. Now I'm breaking down the number 56, and I'm going to start by seeing if that's divisible by 2. And 56 divided by 2 is 28. Breaking down 28, I'm going to do 28 divided by 2, and I get 14. 14 can be divided by 2 7 times. And then the only thing divisible by 7 is itself. So when you get to 1, you're done. So then I come over here in my radical and I put all my numbers in there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4 2s, and 1 7. And then I also have to bring this 2 down from my problem. Okay. I got a pair of 2s, I throw a 2 out. I got a pair of 2s, I throw a 2 out. So then I just multiply what's left. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and I'm left with square root of 7. Okay. Next, I have 4 square root of 75, so I've got to simplify this number. I have 75. I start to see if 75 can be divided by 2, and it cannot be divided evenly, so then I do 75 divided by 3, and I get 25. Okay. Then I need to break down 25, and I start with 25 divided by 2. Nope, can't do it. 25 divided by 3. Nope, can't do it. 24 divided by 4. Nope. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. The only thing that can go into 5 is 5 in itself. So when you get to 1, you're done. And I come over here and I write my numbers in. I have 3, 5, and 5. And then I also have to bring down my 4. Okay. I got a pair of 5s, so I throw a 5 out. Then I'm left with 5 times 4 is 20. And the only thing left inside my radical is 3. All right, this is the last problem. So I need to break down 125, so I do my chart. Okay, 125 divided by 2, we can't do it. 125 divided by 3, can't do it. 125 divided by 4, I can't do it. 125 divided by 5, I can't, or is 5, I'm sorry. So 125 divided by 5 is 25. Okay, 25 can't be divisible by 2 or 3 or 4, but it can be divisible by 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. And then 5 only goes into itself one time, so 5 and 1. Then I come over here. I don't have a number right here, so now I don't need to write anything here. So I just have my 5, 5, and 5. I have a pair of 5s, so I throw a 5 out, and my final answer is 5, square root of 5. Okay, and just to see if you were paying attention, we've already done this problem, something very similar to it. I want you to try on your own to do 2 square root of 98. Okay, go ahead and do that, and then type in your final answer, and I'll go ahead and work it out. I got to break down the 98. 98 divided by 2 is 49. I know it's 7 and 7, 7 and 1. So then I have my 2, my 7, and my 7. I got to bring this 2 down. Got a pair of 7s, bring out a 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Square root of 2. That's it.